Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I work at a hospital.
Oh, I've been up here. You been up here? Yeah.
I work at a hospital, and because of the freeze that's going on in Texas right now, I have to spend the night at the hospital because it's not safe to drive on the roads, and I'm part of like the recovery team. Not recovery, ride out. So I just want to show you guys my sleeping arrangements that they have us doing. I found a spot here in this cubicle, somebody's cubicle. They gave us cots. These are my bags. I have snacks, water, my blanket. Let's see, I put my shoes. Can you see my shoes? Put my shoes under here. So I'm gonna open my cot and get set up and get comfortable so I can call my sister back. Don't mind my chapped lips. Some lights in here. It's not a lot of light. Put this right here. Okay. I do not know how to open this. I've never slept on a cot before. Oh, that's another thing. Some people bought air mattresses, and I did not bring a pillow. God. You don't come with instructions? Okay, I'm gonna have to YouTube how to set up a cot. Okay, I think I got it. I just had to like spread it out some. My backpack is in the way. So basically, this is the setup. Get my blanket. Let me get my shoes from under here. Oh, my shoes closer. Okay. And there's a charging box down there. Okay. I'll check back in. Okay, so I changed into some sweats. My hair look a mess. This is how I can't work. Don't worry about it. I changed into my sweats. Got my Crocs. Well, you can see my Crocs. I'm about to go back and get on the phone with my sister. So I'm back in the restroom. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then go back to my cot and lay down. And have my toothbrush and toothpaste. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I left my badge in the freaking thing. You need a badge to badge in, and my badge is in there. Hello. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're here. It's literally so cold in this hallway right now because of all the windows. I'm freezing. It's snowing. And it's really coming down too.